Today I'm gonna just be riding around. Well, now today I'm gonna customize this truck. Oh no, it wasn't that truck. It was. Hold on, I gotta find it. Oh, here it is. Okay, today we're gonna customize this truck. First, you want to do this. Okay, should we make this a monster truck? Or what should we make it? I mean, I already have one monster truck, but why not make two monster trucks? Okay, well first we're gonna upgrade everything. Like everything. We're not gonna make this diesel, because we're gonna put a turbo in it. Okay, what am I missing? Okay, I definitely need a brake lever because we're going to be going around the turn short. And then we're definitely going to need to jack this thing up really high. Like to the sky. Actually, looks so goofy. Jack up. Jack up. Wait, no, I shouldn't be doing this yet. Okay, no, I'm not trying to make it look like this. But I forgot to do the monster truck axles. Where are they? There they are. Not that bad. I thought there'd be more. No, not those. Monster truck. There we go. Now, our truck will be squatted. Okay, we're gonna max this out. Axle. Go all the way out there. Jack it up all the way to the sky and back. Same with back here. Jack it up. Jack it up. All the way to the sky and back. Should we just leave it like this? I'm playing. We're not going to be that mean. Okay, we're definitely going to leave the rims the same. Holy, this is a monster truck right here. This is a monster truck. Okay, I hope this won't roll easy, but we're definitely going to need some tires. So we're going to need to go here. I mean, I kind of like that color, so I'm just going to leave the color. Now, we're going to do the monster truck tires. I think these look kind of like monster truck tires. I mean, they're really good for the mud and stuff. So we're going to use these. I mean, if they had like a little more thickness, but these right here are way too much thickness. These look more like monster truck tires. So we're going to add them. And wow. This looks like a mean truck. And it is. Okay. I'm gonna need to do this so I'll have noise. Okay. Alright, ready to ride this thing? Oh no, wait, we need a little more stuff. I know one thing that we definitely need to add to it. To the body. We're gonna leave the back same, but we definitely need to add. They don't have it. Oh man. Well, I was gonna add the whole thing, but I guess they don't have it. But we're definitely gonna add. Do they have the side ones? Yes, they got the side ones. Okay, now that looks like a monster truck. Headlights. Circuit. Wait, no. They don't have that in the monster truck. We're gonna do these. Okay. Now this truck is worth a lot of money. Y'all ready to ride this thing? Okay. First we need to like them. Is my Wi-Fi on? Yes. There we go. We're gonna add NOS grip. I'm gonna go here. Wait, no, not here. Wait, yeah. Do you wanna go here? Okay, NOS grip. Okay. We're gonna use Monster Jam. And while it's loading, I'll catch y'all later. Alright, we're back. stay on him. Dang it. You kind of see him. See if I can see him. Oh, and it ships. Oh, this one's a good one. It's like a little trampoline. Should I do a nose back? Man, this thing's like a really legit. This one freaking jumping things. Alright, I'm gonna hit it with the zone. Oh my god! I just did like a triple backflip. Alright, ready? Come on, I'm gonna make it. If I turn this down, does it make it better?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all need to tell me that. Alright, well, let's next thing. And if y'all hear something in the background, that's my grandma talking on the phone. She's like the loudest. Oh god, this is a trampoline. Somebody get in the back. Bing. Whoa, wait, watch. Wow, get back, man, get back. I just want to pay for life savings. Whoa, I'm walking it. I was walking. You may get on it. I'll be like, wee. Oh god. Wait, let me reset. Hold on, wait, should I do a wheelie? Oh, whoa. Yo, I walked it. Hold on, let me do it again. Walk it. Whoa. Yo, I never walked this monster truck before. I never walked a monster truck. I have another monster truck. I never knew you can walk them. Wait, ready? And I'm in full drive too. You cannot walk stuff in full drive. It's like, wait, what's over here? I can climb over this. What is over here? I know a lot of people that use this map when they get monster trucks, and I never knew this. But yeah, I guess one day, I'll go live and see a bunch of y'all. And also, if y'all want my Snapchat, it is WBLAKMANN. That's my Snapchat, and you can just stop it and go back if you want to know. But yeah, if y'all like this truck, like and subscribe. And if you want to, you can like and subscribe anyways, because I'm on the road to have 100 subscribers. And if I do, I think I'm gonna do a live for having 100 subscribers. Yeah, I'll go live. But yeah. Wait, no, I can't go live. I mean, I'll go live in this. I'll send like a little chat, and then I'll do it. Okay. But yeah, if y'all want to go live with me and stuff and have fun, then yeah, like and subscribe. You don't really have to like, but it would be cool if you would. But yeah, I guess I'll stop talking. Just play with this truck. Whoa, because I know it annoys so long. That's how I stop. But yeah, please subscribe. I won't ask everybody. Oh god, it's a trampoline. But this is crazier than a trampoline. Alright, let's see if we can go over this one. Well, I guess I'll use nose. I don't know. I guess I'll use it. Oh yeah. Oh, this is flexible. This thing's really flexible. Okay. Wait, I know what annoying y'all. There. Now it ain't being annoying. You know my mouse power days, my dad's stuff. Yeah, I'll get that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, no, look. Okay. I only use that so I can see how much my damage is gone. And sometimes I use my power gauge. Walk it like a pump. Oh, if you do like this, it will walk so easy. Whoa, y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Move. Oh boy. Oh. So let me walk this. If I walk this, I can like Instagram. Oh no, wait, no. We said that. We said that. I messed up already. That counts. That counts. I walked it for a second. I didn't say hello in the world. But here, I'll give y'all actual shit like that. Alright, yeah, y'all have to watch. Whoa, whoa! Okay, that was crazy. Stop! Yeah. Whoa! Bro, this thing's a trampoline! Wait, can I land it? I'm resetting. Oh my gosh, yeah, do not use Dawson. You know, I need to damage this thing so much so I won't do willies. Oh my god.
Oh my, you put me down. Huh? Is that you?
Yeah?
What? It just popped up. You better not be in or nothing.
I'm not. I was making a YouTube video. She subscribes me. And it popped up. Oh god. Oh god. I really don't want to subscribe. Look what I downloaded, but I tried that music. I always keep on subscribing. I should have customized my rooms. Alright, y'all. Bye. I gotta go. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.